Yes, time to go out. Oh, you have an insect bite? Oh, it's time to go out. It's time to go out. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now we stop. There's a motorcycle. Yeah, there's a motorcycle.
What's that?
It's a water, stagnant water. Hmm.
That.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Hmm. That? What's that? What do you call that? Stop. Come on. Let's go. How about that one? What is that? What's that? What's that? What's this? Gray? Gray car. White car. White car. What's that? Car again. What color? What color of the car? No, it's okay. Where do you want to go? Oh, slowly. Ay, grabe init. Going to Mommy Orba. Mm. Knock on the gate. Knock on the gate. Come on. Tulog pa siguro si Kayla. Tulog pa si Kayla. Oo. Tulog pa? Come on, let's go. We're going home now. We're going home, home, home. Mm.
Why?
Yeah. There's a fly. Lots of fly. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. We're going home now. Come here. We're going na. Sam. We're going home. Sam, this way. Come on, this way. Sam. Oh, fly na yung yung bird. Let's go na. We're going home. We're going home. We're going home. Malangaw talaga ngayon. Okay. Come on. Let's go. We're going home. That's a bike. And there's a motorcycle also. You see? Yeah. Motorcycle. Bye, motorcycle. We're going home now. I'm running. Come on. Jogging tayo? Oh. Let's go. I'm running. Ay, steady lang. Steady lang. The monster in the dark. The monster in the dark. Come on. We're running. We're running. Uy, nananakot pa. We're running! Come on! Let's go! Are you tired? Not yet? Yeah. Yes, we're going home. Yeah, we're going home now. We're going home, home, home. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, hop, hop. Ah! Hands up! Hands up! You're not tired already? have a boo-boo? No, that way. That's a boo-boo. That's an itchy. Ouch, ouch. Let's go. Yeah, we're walking. Naubo-ubo na siya. Naubo-ubo na siya. Hi, guys. Ay, ayaw talaga. Oh, there's a flowers. You see the flowers? Here, Sam. There's the flowers. What color of the flowers? Pink. Okay. What's the color of the car? Great. Very good. Oh, slowly. Slowly. There's a hump. Come on. There's slowly. Slowly. Very good. Oh, there's a lot of flowers. All of the flowers. This one, Sam. This one. What color? We're here already. Oh, that's Mommy. Hi, Mom. We're home. Now we are home. Pawis to the max. Sobrang init. Okay? Okay, you see? We're home. We're home. She's eating now a breakfast. Sopas and pancit. Yes. You're eating breakfast? Sit down properly first. Sit down properly. So you're not gonna fall. You're gonna fall. See? English pa. Kailangan daw English siya. Pause mo daw para mag-i-English siya. O, ibigat na tayo ng ng rice. Okay? Wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. What's that? Bread and sopas. Wait lang po. Oh, ang galing. Ang galing talaga.